What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how to install OxygenOS on your Redmi K20pro and we will test the PUBG performance on it. So don't waste time, let's boot. So guys, as you can see now I'm running on Bliss 12.9 and I will switch to OxygenOS from it. And if you guys want to install this Bliss ROM, then check the I button. I already made a video on it. Now in this video I will show you how to install OxygenOS on K20pro and I will make a short review on it and I will run the benchmark test and I will play the PUBG. And the video will be long enough, so watch the full video with patience. So guys, make sure to keep a backup of your data as we are switching from Treble to GSI. That's why you need to perform a full format and it will clean our internal. If you are in MIUI, then you just have to do the same as I am doing here, and your phone must bootloader unlocked and recovery installed. So let's see how to install it. So first you have to power off your phone. So after powering off, you just have to press the volume up and power button simultaneously until it's turned on into the recovery. Here I am using Orange Fox Recovery 10.1 and if you guys want to install it, then check the description box. So after turn on into the recovery, you can keep a backup of your current ROM from the backup section. For that, select new backup, then select the checkbox whose backup you want to take. After taking backup, just go to the wipe section, then select Delvic, Cache, System, Vendor and Data and just swipe to wipe it. So after that, as I said that we are switching to GSI, that's why we need to perform a format data. So for that, go to the menu, then manage partition, then select data, then format data, then type yes and just right click and it will format your data. And if you flash the ROM without doing this, then you may face a boot loop or your phone got bricked. So make sure to format the data. So after formatting the data, you need some files which you have to flash. So those files are in our Telegram channel, so join our Telegram channel and ask for it. So if you guys got the file, then save it in your internal or you can use a OTG like me and just plug it on your phone and select the storage, then USB storage and locate those files. So here are the three files, which is OxygenOS, vendor, boot and the system. So the first file you have to flash the OxygenOS raw file system and just swipe to flash it. Basically this file is the OS of the system. So you can see that here is showing that OnePlus 7T Pro and the device raw file and the Android version 10. So it will take some time to install it, so you just have to leave it. When the flashing will be done, then wipe the Delvic and Cache and again go back to the flashable files. Now this time you have to flash the vendor file. So basically this vendor is ported from OnePlus 7T, that's why your phone may be shown as OnePlus 7T everywhere. So after flashing the vendor, again wipe the Cache and Delvic and after that just go back to the flashable files. Now this time the last one you have to flash is OxygenOS raw file boot. Without this boot file you can't even boot into your system. So our boot zip flashed successfully. Now on terminal it's showing if stuck at logo, do a hard reboot. So just wipe the cache and reboot to the system, then we will see what happened. So the OnePlus logo has come and I hope the ROM is successfully installed. And you guys may saw that I faced a single boot loop. If you are facing one above, then go to the recovery by pressing volume up and power button and just do a format data. So yes, I am successful to install the OxygenOS on my Redmi K20pro and here I am just have to perform the setup section. So I heard that the fingerprint is not working on this ROM, so let's see is it true or false. So So yes guys, it's true, there is no fingerprint logo on the fingerprint sensor and it's not detecting. So I hope the developer will fix it as soon as it's possible and you guys just have to run without it. So our setup is completed and here the OnePlus launcher is used as it's a OnePlus 70 port. So let's see in about section. So in about section you can see that the device name is nothing here and the Android version is Android 10 and here the Immensity kernel is used on this ROM and the ROM version is OxygenOS beta. So guys, I'm not giving the detailed features of this ROM because you will get the same as in the OnePlus 70 Pro. So in case of unlocking features, you will get the face unlock feature and it is working very fast and perfectly. But you don't get any kind of fingerprint unlocking. In audio section you will get the Dolby Atmos and the other features which are in OnePlus 70 Pro, and you will get almost all the similar features which are in OnePlus 70 Pro. So I'm not going through it, so let's run a benchmark test. So the result has come and it's scored 5301 on OpenGL, and here as it is compared with OnePlus 70 Pro, then we'll get a better performance from it, and I got almost 75 Hz refresh rate from this benchmark test. So now let's play PUBG and see what in it, and you will get the gaming mode and the fanatic mode while you are playing games, so it will really help you to improve your gameplay. So let's dominate the enemies. So I am playing a domination match and it seems like I am playing on OnePlus 70 Pro and I can't see any single lag on this ROM, and it seems like I am playing over 60 FPS. After this match I played 2 to 3 classic matches and I don't feel any kind of lag on it. I think now I can take this device to beat a competitive player. In my opinion, this is a competitive playable ROM. If you guys want to install this ROM, then follow my procedure, and if you need any kind of help, then join our Telegram channel. I will be there for you. And if you guys like the video, then like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates. Stay safe, stay home. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.